gonna beat the level. Or so I'm being led to believe. And I am completely sensible in this thought. We'll summon that cat. Or mythical titan cat. Whose upper face looks like it's going into QB mode. Oh, cat. Oh, alien cat. Oh, crap, there's aliens. Crap, that's not expected. Summon the army. Summon the military. Summon the navy. Mythical Titan cat seems to be getting work done. His loss will not be in vain. Death will not be in vain. We will conquer the world, but we're gonna need some more anti-alien. A little bit cheaper anti-alien too. Alright, good. Good. So, do we have any anti-alien? Need anti-alien. I'm pretty sure one of my Ubers is alien. You're an Uber and you are alien. So we're gonna hit play you. No, we're gonna upgrade with our friend the Uber with 6,300. So we're not gonna. I think that earlier. That was too far. But I'm gonna retract that earlier statement and say that we are not gonna be added to the fight because I don't Korea is still Korea with a bunch of aliens cracked into it. Which sounds weird, but it is weird. It's weird. But then I'm fighting a game where a cat with muscles is going up against a snake. 3 small stick figures and another snake. While red lettuce has a UFO launched into it. So if I didn't come to expect this, I wouldn't be playing this game. This is a song that does it, and it goes on and on. Ooh, they're synchronized. When did they get synchronized? People started singing, not knowing what it was. And now they keep on singing it forever just because this is a song that does it. We should deploy the army wall cat. It shall be a great wall. Ooh, there's a hippo. There's a hippopotamus. Why is there a hippopotamus? Why is there a hippopotamus? Why must a hippopotamus be here? Oh, you know what, screw it. We need the army, and I'm gonna get the army. The army, the navy, the military. We actually currently can't produce our golden friend. But do not fret. We shall summon a mythical titan cat in its place. You know, after we do that. And there's our good friend, the weird
sounds weirder than it actually is. Because it's not that weird. Compared to the rest of this series, it's not that weird. And that thing does like 500 damage. One punch. It's One Punch Man. Almost. Very close to being One Punch Man. I guess we should upgrade some lizard food. I've been told that it's good. Okay, China. China shall be mine. China looks very broken. Why does China look so broken? I'm sorry, but last time I checked, everywhere else wasn't this bad. Sure, there was a place underwater, but it was never complete and utter destruction. Oh, crap. I did not expect that one coming. Yep, but, we have red. We have our red coverage. Don't worry. Everything is completely safe from utter destruction by reds. Because apparently reds are really well liked in this level. Who knew? And Flipping Penguin, good thing I summoned all these things. I must kill them all. Must also save up for the mythical Titan cap. Come on. Come on. Defend thyself. Yep, we have them. Castles in our sights. I say that now, but, we seem to be doubled. We seem to be a doubled upon, and I can't really well defend against a doubled upon. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Hate seeing doubles, buddy. Here we go. Sorry. But we seem to be pushing them back towards their base. Not pushing them away from our base, it's more pushing them towards theirs. And we seem to have obtained victory. And we didn't even need our good friend, the giant Titan mythical cat. And now Mongolia. Mongolia! We must conquer Mongolia. This is a song that doesn't end. It should go round and round. Okay, we're just gonna sit here a little bit while it decides to do whatever it's gonna want to do. Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do a couple of things here. Defend myself. Yes, I found this necessary. I found this completely necessary for my survival. To push this ram back rather whack. Alright, we seem to be doing good. With our one ninja cat and our army of meat shields. The second one hasn't even reached there yet. yourself. Defend thyself, my allies. Help is on the way. Oh, crap, that was a mistake. Ooh, keep the meat shields coming. Otherwise we will die. We will definitely die. Come on. Come on. Defend yourself, my friends. Do not give up hope. Your support will be soon at hand. The closer they close us, the less we have to actually walk. Defend yourselves, men. And weird Samba cat. Come on. Defend yourself. Defend yourself. Defend your home. Defend your base. Defend everything you hold near and dear to your hearts. Everything is being threatened in this one moment. Come on, kill them all. Murder them all. Oh, crap. I find this slightly concerning. I also find it concerning that Rat Cat's dead, so, there's multiple things I find incredibly terrifying right now. They've been pushed back. Yes. Yes, and I have a demon cat on the way. A demonic evil flying cat. It's glorious. I promise you it's glorious. Yes. Victory. Sweet, sweet victory. Victory.
Russia is going to be our next
Thing. I guess. Russia's nice and long, so, we don't have to worry too much. Don't even have to send anything out, really. Except for that one cat for the really quick moving money. Yep, and, there's our problems. They're coming running at us. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna do some stuff while I sit here, making sure that we don't get or drastically overwhelmed by any sort of forces. So please subscribe, like, comment down below, all the jazz that people tell you daily, and to come join the Discord. Yes, I am pronouncing the Discord, and it is for a good reason. It's because we were planning on doing a Pokemon Showdown tournament for a chance to enter into a council. This particular council is going to be confusing to you if you haven't been on the server, which I guarantee is most of you. I have like 5 people on the total. 5 people total on the entire server, and we have 11 subscribers. So I'm assuming around 6 of you, 6 of the 11 subscribed, are aren't actually in the server. I guarantee you, a lot of you aren't in the server actually. But guys, if you want to come around, we'll be doing a tournament Sunday. I'll be getting everybody ready. I'll get everybody ready once you guys sign on to the server. It'll be fun. I mean, and including if you win, you actually have the opportunity to basically shape the entire server. Uh, the the entire thing about what the HLV Council is, they have the ability to help change the rules. And we're on our last level. Yes. Norway. Which apparently has UFOs fishing. But like I was saying, it's you for the HLV Council, you get to, you can you can vote. You are counted in a vote that'll help change. You can literally change the entire server, the way it's run. Even the Discord bot. I may even add a couple more bots if you guys want to. Then again, that'll also be part of the vote. Like I said, they don't actually have a lot of power within the server. Thing is both the Anbu. Yes, this is Naruto references. This is even what the HLV stands for and why it's called the HLV Council. But I mean, guys, you can change. You have the ability to change the way the Discord servers run. You have the power to change. Why is this thing sticking its tongue out at me? How dare you stick your tongue out at me? How dare you stick your tongue out at me? How dare you? Dear God, that's terrifying. Okay, we're gonna take care of this thing first, and then I'll go back to my rant. Which isn't even really a rant. It's more of me just asking you guys to come on down to the server. While we're doing crap. Stop licking everything. Stop it. Stop. Please, I beg you, stop. Stop. Yes, hit. No. Wasted so much. Come on, hit your head. Bang your head against that thing. Fight. Fight to your last breath. We're gonna lose. Yep. We've almost been guaranteed death. Death has been handed to us, and we must take it like men. We've lost. We weren't able to get enough money quickly enough. Yep. Okay, that might be a problem. No. We did 3% to that boss. Holy freaking crap. That is scary. That is terrifying. That is why I hate crap. What the hell? Okay. Guys, see you later. I'll be making another video today on Terraria because the 1.4 update came out. But guys, come down to the server Sunday and join us next time to fight against this insane, oddly licking hippopotamus.